Hello all, this video is about Kodi beach. We reached the beach point early to soak in the calm vibes before the day got busy. We hired a boat that promised to cover four amazing spots: Sand Island, lush mangroves, scenic Delta Point, and the Dolphins area. Each stop had something unique to offer, making the ride feel like a mini expedition. Our first stop was Sand Island. The boat crew gave us 30 to 45 minutes here, which was perfect to explore, click photos, and capture videos. Please enjoy the drone view footage.